Hi, Robin here. I'm just literally walking up to the top of the street here, and I've just seen some food. So I'm just going to quickly flip over the camera, and then in another video we'll talk about the ethics of whether or not you can pick these plants or not. So the plant I want to show you is actually this one here. Can you see that? Yes, hopefully you can. And this is it all in flower. This is actually hairy bittercress, and it's actually a really good time of the year to be gathering it now, and it grows prolifically in gardens that have been kind of generally disturbed. I mean, right next to it we've got another one called sow thistle, but we'll get to that in another video. If you're of a certain age, you will remember growing mustard and cress at school, and we'd get blotting paper and would sprinkle the seeds on, and then they grow, and it's just like the cress that you buy in your supermarket, but that hairy bittercress is delicious. So I encourage you to get out today. Just go look for it. Wherever anyone's dug up, you'll find that plant.